So let us have factor theorem. So when you say factor theorem, if p of x is divided by the x minus c, at yung p of x, the dividend divided by the divisor x minus c, and the remainder p of c is 0. Kapag daw ang remainder mo ay naging 0, then si divisor x minus c is a factor of p of x. Is a factor. Ista. Yan. Okay? So, kapag daw po yung kanyang remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, therefore, si divisor x minus c is a factor of the given polynomials. Okay? So, this time, you are going to determine if the given divisor is a factor or not a factor. So, how? Pwedeng substitution or synthetic. Palalabasin lang natin na kailangan ang kanyang remainder is 0. Alright? Let us have an example. Determine if the given binomial is a factor of the given polynomial. Ang given polynomial natin ay si x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x plus 30. So, ang given binomial natin na kung i-determine natin kung siya ba ay factor nito ay si x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2, at saka si x minus 3. Let's start first with x minus 1. Dito tayo. So, synthetic na lang tayo. Huwag na tayong mag-substitution. So, let us have synthetic division. Let us have all the numerical coefficient of this one. We have here. We have 1. Next, we have 5. Next, we have 2. Next, we have 7. Then, we have 30. Then, negative 1 magiging positive 1. So, we have, bring down 1 times 1, we have 1. Plus 5 plus 1, we have 6. Multiply ulit, we have 6. Add 6 times 6 plus 2, we have 8. 8 times 1, we have here 8. 8 plus 7 plus 8, we have here 15. Then multiply 15, then add, we have here 45. 45. So, since it is not remainder with 0, therefore, this one is not a factor. Hindi siya factor. Si letter A. Okay? So, meaning, x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay? Next tayo, let us have letter B. Okay. So, again, we have here 1, 5, 2, 7, 30, numerical ulit. Then, ang gagamitin naman natin ay si negative 1. Then, bring down 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. This one is 4 times negative 1, this one is negative 4. This one is negative 2 times negative 1, that is positive 2. This one is 9 times negative 1, that is negative 9. So, we have here 21. Hindi na naman siya 0. So, therefore, hindi na naman siya. Si x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay? Pa rin siya. Let us move with x plus 2. So, since x plus 2 tayo, letter C tayo. So, we have, ang gagamitin naman natin, since positive yon, magiging negative 2. Let's have all the numerical. 1, 5, 2, 7, 30. So, we have bring down 1 times negative 2, negative 2. This one is positive 3. 5 minus 2 is positive 3 times mo ulit. That is negative 6. Add mo to, that is negative 4. Negative 4 times 2, that is positive 8. 8. This one is 15. 15 times negative 2, the answer is negative 30. 30 minus 30, we have 0. Okay. So, therefore, since 0 yung iyong remainder, therefore, si x plus 2 is a factor. Okay? So, ito ay check. Next tayo, let us have the last one, D. So, ang gagamitin naman natin is positive 3. Then, write all the numerical. 1, 5, 2, 7, and 30. So, we have bring down 1 times 3. We have 3. Add. We have 8 times 3. That is 24. So, this one is 26 times 3. So, 26 times 3, we have here 18, carry 1, 78. Right here, 78. 78 plus 7, that is 85. O, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, masyado na siyang malaki. So, since masyado nang malaki, pag minultiply mo pa yung 85 times 3, inad mo, hindi na to magiging 0. So, since it is not equal to 0, therefore, x minus 3 is not a factor. Sino lang ang factor ni x raised to 4 plus 5x squared plus 2x squared plus 7x plus 30? Si x plus 2 lang ang tama. Okay? So, that is factor theorem. You are going to determine if the given binomial is a factor or not factor. How will you say so? If the remainder is equal to 0. Kapag hindi siya equal to 0, therefore, it is not a factor. If it's equal to 0, the remainder is equal to 0, therefore, it is a factor. That is factor theorem. Alright?